Good morning there, everybody. Data Pioneer Southeast here with the Windows 10 Tech News and Reviews website, YouTube, brand new channel, still getting subscribers. So if after watching this video you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a video. Today I want to talk about a web browser that Microsoft has replaced the Microsoft Edge web browser with, and this is called the Microsoft Edge for Chromium browser. I'm currently running the beta version. Let me go ahead and open it up, and this is what I want to talk about today. I found out about this browser a little while ago and been running the dev channel and have decided to go with the beta. Microsoft just released the beta, made it available for Windows and Mac OS. Here's the article. It's a ZDNet article. Microsoft makes Chromium-based Edge beta available for Windows and Mac OS. Microsoft is taking another step with its Chromium-based Edge by officially releasing the beta version for Windows 10, 8, 7, and Mac OS. This is an article by Mary Jo Foley, which was 4 days ago, and so I wanted to go ahead and preview this one and let you take a look at it. Let's go ahead and look at the article. Microsoft is making the official beta of its Chromium-based Edge browser available today, August 20th. The beta channel is open to anyone running Windows 10, 7, 8, or 8.1 and or Mac OS. And the beta version is immediately available for download from the Edge Insider site. So that's what I did. I went and grabbed it. Here is the location of that article on the web for the Insider channels. I was running the dev channel, which gets updated weekly, the Canary, which gets updated daily, and now the beta channel, which gets an update every 6 weeks. You can click this link here for Windows 10 and get that and install it. I highly recommend it. I was using the Firefox web browser, and since I've moved to the Microsoft Edge beta, I'm not going anywhere. This thing is wonderful. Let's go ahead and continue with the article. The beta channel is the third and final preview channel for the Chromium-based Edge, also known unofficially by some of us Microsoft watchers as CREDGE. Microsoft already made available the Canary updated daily and the Dev updated weekly channel bills of its new Edge browser. The beta version released today will be updated roughly once every 6 weeks. Microsoft says there have been more than 1 million downloads of Edge preview bills downloaded on all supported platforms since the company began making test bills available in April this year. Microsoft still isn't providing a target date as to when the Edge will be generally available, but it's unlikely to happen until either very late this year or sometime in 2020. Once it's deemed ready, it will go to the stable channel and will be added to new Windows 10 feature updates as a store updatable inbox application. It won't be tied any longer to Windows 10, so it does not have to release simultaneously with the new feature update, such as Windows 10 20H1. At some point, Edge, which will be called Edge, be renamed that, just like Microsoft's current browser, will replace the original Edge browser. The original Edge browser, I took it off my system, I uninstalled it off of Windows 10. I was not a big fan of the Microsoft Edge web browser, but I certainly am a big fan of the Chromium-based beta version right now. Okay, Microsoft officials are saying that the Edge beta version available today is ready for everyday use, even though it's not yet done. I've been using it, like I said, for about a day. Was using the dev channel. Didn't have a problem with the dev channel, and I so far have not had a problem with the beta version of Microsoft Edge for Windows 10. Like the other preview channels, the Edge beta supports extensions from the Edge Insider add-on store for other Chromium-based web stores. Beta users can turn on tracking prevention for greater privacy, and the beta supports a number of the previously announced enterprise features coming to the new Edge, including Internet Explorer mode, integration with the new unified Microsoft search built into Bing, and support for Windows Defender, Application Guard. And here's Microsoft's roadmap for Business Insiders for Tredge, which makes it public, which made it public in July. Microsoft is continuing to add support for more features in Tredge, starting with the Canary and Dev channels. A new enterprise-focused new tab will be coming soon to Canary and Dev channels, said today, and collections will be coming to the Canary channel today and the Dev channel shortly. Collections is a feature meant to help users collect, organize, and export information discovered via the browsers more easily. Microsoft officials said yesterday that the Canary channel also will be adding an option to stop auto-playing video and audio on websites, improved scrolling, and new features button on the toolbar, new favorites button on the toolbar. In October, the Tredge Canary channel will get inking on PDFs and other user-requested features. In December 2018, Microsoft officials said that they were redoing Edge so that it would be built on top of the Chromium operating system in the name of improving compatibility with the web. Chromium is an open source browser implementation that is used as a base by a number of browser developers, including Google with its proprietary Chrome browser, Vivaldi, Opera, Yandex, Brave, and more. Simultaneous with the launch of Chrome in 2008, Google released the bulk of Chrome's code as open source, birthing Chromium in the process. Okay, so here is the article we just looked at for the Chromium-based Edge browser. And so let's take a look at it. I'm going to go out on my YouTube channel here and show you what I've got set up. I really like this. Let me go out to the channel here and bring that up. I really like it because I've got it set up with the Ubuntu orange look and feel to it. It is a great web browser, guys. I have to tell you. Look at that look that you have when you just mouse over the videos themselves. I've got it set up so that I have access to, when I hit the plus sign here, I can go out and I've got my Proton Mail set up. I've got my Linux Veritas or in linuxveritas.com, Facebook. I've got my tiny RSS news aggregator here. I've got these so that I can just click on them and bring them right up. I also have MediaFire, which is an online, it's kind of like Dropbox. It's an online cloud sharing for large files, and I use that right now. Really like it. If you go out here to the settings for the Microsoft Edge beta, you can go to the settings here, and it brings up things, for like profiles, for appearance. I've got Kadaza.com news as my homepage. I can zoom in here. I've got fonts, font sizes, medium recommended. Privacy and services, you can clear your browsing history. You've got privacy that you can set up. Do not send track requests. I can turn that on. And send request, I can click on that. So now I'm not being tracked while I'm using the browser. You can go down in here into services, and you can use web service to help resolve navigation errors. Microsoft Defender Smart Screen is turned on. Site permissions, you can go in and tailor that just like you want it. Cookies and site data, location, camera, microphone, motion and light sensors, notification, JavaScript, Adobe Flash, images, pop-ups and redirects. You can, they're blocked right now. Background sync, automatic downloads, unsandboxed plugin access, a whole host of stuff here. For downloads, the location for my downloads is UDayTap downloads. Languages, you've got a ton of languages that you can set up here. You can add languages here. I don't know how many there are. There's, several, probably hundreds that you can set up here for the browser itself. For printing, you can set up and manage your printers. For the system here, you can continue running background apps when the Microsoft Edge browser is closed. I can use hardware acceleration when available. I can reset the settings, and here's the About Microsoft Edge. It says that I'm running the Microsoft Edge version 77.0.235.9 official build for beta 64-bit. It's made possible by Chromium for open source project and open source software. Like I said, guys, wonderful browser. I like it. I love it a lot. I'm going to continue using the beta. It gets updated, like I said, about every 6 weeks. I'm not going anywhere with this browser. It's my browser for the foreseeable future. And please check out the Microsoft Edge Insider channel. I'll put a link here to download the beta channel here underneath the video. Please check it out. I highly recommend it. Like I said, not going anywhere with this browser. I think Microsoft has done a great thing here with bringing Chromium into the fold and building their new browser based on Chromium. Far and cry an advance over its previous Microsoft Edge browser. So check it out. And this has been a preview of the Microsoft Edge beta for Chromium. And if you like the video, please click that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel here, Data Pioneer Southeast, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. So you have a good day and take care.